Team, we're gonna do some non-bread pizzas on the Ninja Foodi XL grill coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, team, what are we doing here today? Guys, I have my Ninja Foodi XL grill out, got the Sear'NSizzle plate in there, and we're gonna make some non-bread pizzas. We're gonna grill up the non-bread and make little flatbread pizzas out of them. I know this is a winning recipe. We've done this for a while now. I'm not gonna use your traditional pizza toppings on there. I'm going to use a little sirloin shredded up steak, kind of like the stuff you'd use for you know, a Philly cheesesteak sandwich or something like that. I think the older generation will remember steakums. We have something similar to that. I'm gonna saute that up with some onions, make that the main topping on our pizzas. We're not gonna use a marinara sauce. It's a little too much sugar for me. You know, we're trying to keep it clean around here. Yes, non-bread is not keto, but I was looking at the ingredients. Carbs are not too far out of bounds. We're doing all right. We're gonna keep the marinara off, a little olive oil, a little minced garlic in there, and then we'll put our steak and onion mix on there, the seasonings, mozzarella cheese, get it in that grill, get that bottom of that non-bread nice and grilled and crispy. It's gonna be amazing. I can't wait for you to try this one. If you do not happen to have steak just lying around, use your pepperoni, use chicken, use whatever you guys like to use for your toppings. Okay, y'all, not much more to this one. Let's get over to the Ninja Foodi Grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started. Okay, before we get started, I want to give you guys the grocery list, the items you're gonna need to buy to make these naan pizzas like your boy CJ did. All right, so first thing you're gonna need is naan bread. Get yourself some of that shaved steak. Find Steakum. You can find this brand that I'm using. I found at my grocery store called Quick Steak. It's shaved sirloin steak. Get yourself a small onion. You're only gonna need about half of it, and you're gonna just slice it up. A couple cloves of garlic, some olive oil, mozzarella cheese grated up. You're gonna need some Italian seasoning, red pepper flakes if you're into that sort of thing, some seasonings for the steak as you cook it, and a little salt just kind of put on the top of your pizza while you're finishing up. All right, guys, before we start working on the Foodi Grill, we need to get the steak cooked. So I've already chopped into this onion. We're gonna cut little slivers off of it. We can cook it up with the steak, saute it with the steak, then we'll get our Foodi Grill on. Okay, we got about a half of a cup of onion right here. No big deal. We're gonna get this sauteed up over on the stove. So let's head over to the stove and then we'll start working on the Foodi Grill. We are over on the stove. We are using our Ninja Foodi Never Stick Wok. We're gonna do some quick high heat cooking on this bad boy. Add a couple tablespoons of olive oil in there. All right, let's get the onions in. Really quick toss. Maybe a little too high heat. That's okay. We're gonna sweat these down pretty good, and then we'll get the steak in there. All right, team. We got our meat in there, our shredded up sirloin steak. Mixing in with the onions. I put a little garlic in there. Put a little clean eating Cosmos Cube garlic, because garlic tastes good. Put a little of the clean eating Cosmos anything seasoning in there. The reason why you're seeing this already cooking is because my camera turned off. Gosh, I'm having so many struggles with cameras these days. Anyway, such is the life of a YouTuber. So we're gonna let that saute through. Dang near done. It takes a minute because it's so thin, but this is gonna be very tasty. Be a great addition to that naan pizza. Give it a try. I love the Ninja Foodi Never Stick Wok going on. Here, we'll even get fancy with it. All right, guys, let's get this Foodi Grill on. We're gonna do grill setting. Hello, grill setting high. 10 minutes. This isn't gonna take more than 10 minutes. Probably only gonna take about 5 minutes or so. Like I said, we wanna crisp up the bottom of that naan bread. Then we're gonna give some good heat on the top, get some good browning of that cheese on top. That's gonna be awesome. All right, so let's hit start. Let that preheat. Let's get some garlic minced up. Got my little garlic crusher here. I love this one because you can put the garlic cloves in whole, right? Or you can put it in with the paper. Squeeze it out. All right, team, the Foodi Grill is ready for food. It literally says add food. Look, man, don't believe me, you can see it on the thing. I'm telling you, it says add food. So I'm gonna add the food, all right? Tell it to stop yelling at me. It's a bit awkward now. Anyway, let's build this pizza up. Garlic's crushed. Steak's ready to go on the pizza. Man, I'm excited. This is gonna be good eating for sure. All right, come on down here. All right, team, let's build this pizza. What do you say? All right, so I'm gonna lay down a nice little drizzle, a little Tuscan herb olive oil. Use the back of our little tongers to smooth it out. Add a little bit of this garlic on there. Again, we're just gonna use these tongers to spread it out. Oh heck, what's a little bit more garlic between friends, huh? Garlic's on. Good to go. Add our little steak and onion mix. Gotta tell you, the steak right here with the onions, that's just a meal in itself. I think it needs a little bit more meat. The meatier, the better. Add a little mozz. Who's got the mozz? You know what would be awesome on this is a little ricotta, but I didn't have any. Let's open this up. It's yelling at me. You can tell it's gonna be like, hey, stupid, I told you to add the food a long time ago. I hate it when my appliances call me stupid, just because they're supposed to be smart appliances. Let me give a little dash of salt over the top, a little kosher salt. If you like it spicy, throw a little crushed red pepper flakes over the top. If you don't like it spicy, don't put the red pepper flakes on there. A little Italian herb blend, just because we're feeling Italian. Feeling Italian on the naan bread pizza. All right, looking good, looking good. Let's get it on this grill. What do you say? Slowly. You know what? I got a little rip over here. Let's take it in this way. So we got the crisp going down with the Sear'NSizzle plate. We're gonna get that heat coming down from the top. It's gonna melt it nice. We're gonna brown up that cheese. And man, are we gonna be eating good. Let's check in about 5 minutes. All right, team, we let it go for 5 minutes. I opened up the lid. It's perfectly brown. I hit stop. Like I said, 5 minutes and you're good to go. The bread's already cooked, so you're just toasting everything up. But look at how delicious, golden brown, lovely. All right, let's get that off. Let's cut it up. Let's eat it up. What do you guys say? I'm gonna try to one spatula it. Let's see the bottom. Got some good grill marks underneath from our Sear'NSizzle. Let's get that on the cutting board. Looking good. Okay, let's cut into this bad boy right here. Crispity, crunchity. All right, we're just gonna cut it into 4 pieces. Get those nice crispy edges. Take a look at that. Lovely, delicious. Dig it. Team, we are done. This naan pizza looks amazing. Showed you how golden brown and delicious it is. I'm dying for the edge right here. Got all the cheese, got all the meat, got the crispy end. Man, that was too good. Tons and tons of flavor. Oh my God. All right, look, I know I told you could do it your own way. Make it your own personalized pizza, but I have to tell you, gotta do it this way. All right, it is way too good. Meat, the onions in there, that garlic. Oh, cheesy goodness. So good. If you want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill or any other Ninja products, hit the links down below. It'll take you to Ninja Kitchen. It is an affiliate link, but you don't pay more. It just helps out your boy. I get a small, really small commission, but it helps out the channel. Helps you put out great product like this. If you want to get yourself one of them Doll Strong knives, Haley home cutting boards, the personalized cutting boards, links are down below. There's little coupon codes on them. You get to save some money on those, okay? If you want to become part of CJ's crew here for real on YouTube, hit that join button, become a channel member, get your name at the end of the videos, scroll on there, live in infamy on CJ's videos forever and ever, or until YouTube goes away. But that's it for this week, guys. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.